Okay, that's the new one. Yeah.
I'll relax that lead.
Put that on there, don't worry.
No, that's fine.
Remount those brakes too if you want. That brake controller.
Oh, yeah.
Did it give you any slack?
Yeah, it's hanging down now.
Yeah, it looks like the backs or the side facing you has a clip you have to or pull towards you and then slide.
Oh. Shit, this just came out. Let's see. Everything's hooked up. I just gotta.
Nice. We just gotta tighten it.
Mm-hmm.
Did the clip go in pretty easy?
Mm-hmm. I mean, it clipped. I heard it lock
So
in.
it caught on that piece. Yeah. Cool. I'm glad that was a plug and play option.
I know. Technically, it's done.
I know a lot of those guys that go to the car shows that have like the systems in them, they'll have dual alternators. Like I guess maybe just because they're running so many watts.
You just have to add a lip for the belt.
Right, right.
So I'll just turn on. And then do my thing all the way down, all the way up.
The gas pedal?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now it should be set.
I saw the engine light blinking, so